Farmers have no right to remain poor, nor we have the right to keep them poor. Farmers, heroes of the land yan.
He empowered Filipino farmers.
So you're equipping farmers to become scientists?
Oh, exactly. Number one, fish sa farm na nila. We have to go to the farm, experiment it. Yung fishery, farmer teaching a farmer.
And he helped them rediscover the dignity of their labor.
Mga farmers nga, they're producing their own product. Isa sa Sikihor, nanalo siya na outstanding young farmer sa DE last year.
A 2012 Ramon Magsaysay awardee.
You hold the distinction of being the only two brothers who received the Ramon Magsaysay Award. Yeah. Is there something special about the Davide clan?
I did not expect that. Nandiyan na isa Davide eh. Tama na yun. Hindi nga ako maniwala. Tumawag si Chief Justice. Doon, awardi ka. Luha ko.
The father of plant nematology, Dr. Romulo Davide. People on ANC. This Monday, 9:30 p.m.